Okay, sorry about that. A notification ended my video, so I put it on airplane mode. So we do have a little chip here. I would say that you can fix this because this is one little strip and this is another strip. However, I'm not sure you're going to be able to find something that matches this. So just want to point that out to you. I think this is all original to the build when this home was constructed. They did add handles and drawer pulls. You have a big slider window, stainless steel sink, a good amount of outlets. Let's see, we've got one here and one here. We've got dedicated outlet and water supply for your refrigerator, outlet, 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 and then another one over here. No outlets on the island. Cabinets and drawers are in fairly decent condition, slide and everything really easily. And then something else to note. So what is considered a part of the home? What stays with the house is. So in Texas, your dishwasher, your oven, if a microwave was installed here, those are all considered a fixture of the home and they do convey. Refrigerators, which there isn't one here, and then washer and dryer, which they have an older set here. These are considered negotiable items. So in this scenario, a washer and dryer have been left behind. I would try and get this included in the sale at no additional cost. Sometimes they are going to want a dollar amount for that, and sometimes they might say, sure, we'll leave it there for free. Sometimes they might use it as a tool for negotiations. If small repairs pop up on the inspection report, pantry and laundry in the same room, then they might try and say, leave that in lieu of doing a small repair. There's a couple of additional scratches on the floor here. So just kind of so you know, those aren't always going to be included, but we'll do our best to get them to be left behind. Okay, coming out the back door, this is our backyard. Sounds like your neighbors might have chickens. And I thought that the fence was replaced, but it looks like majority was replaced, and then that pole still needs to be replaced. We've got a little patio slab. It's uncovered. We do have the electrical box in this yard, so there's potential for the city to need to get in and access that at some point. We have vinyl siding. Air conditioner looks a little bit on the older side. I would check the date, but the stickers are sun bleached. Then we have vinyl siding. So we have brick in the front and then vinyl siding on the other three sides. This side of the fence was replaced. Looks like they did a little bit of work on the gate up there. Not a bad yard. It's a pretty good size. Not a ton of trees, but and then this is the other side. So you have a water spigot up there and then a water spigot back here. Kind of right where those chairs are. There's a little bit of gapping on the siding. Let's see if I can zoom in. Just to show you how it's like buckling right there. Just a tiny bit. Inspectors call these things out because any openings like that allows for water to get behind that, and moisture behind that can lead to, rotting and things of that nature. It's also just like another access point for pests. And You don't want that. Okay. I'm gonna stop this video and go on to the bedrooms.